Hello and welcome back to Project Los Alamos. As the Cold War ramped up, a push by the government was made to have all the citizens prepared in case there was a nuclear exchange. A part of this push was the Family Radiation Measurement Kit from the Bendix Corporation. This kit is simple to use, pocket size, direct reading, transistorized, water, and shockproof. The kit contains one rate meter, CDV736, one dosimeter, CDV746, a charger, CDV756, and the instruction manual. Let's open it up and take a look at the contents. We have the instruction and maintenance manual for the dosimeters, rate meter, and charger. I'll have photos of each of the pages at the end of the video. We have the D-cell battery, 1.5 volts, the 756, 746, and 736. Interested to see if the battery that was made in America and sold by Kmart was still any good. So I brought out my trusty multimeter and I have it set to DC voltage. We see that it's almost as good as factory, reading 1.47 volts. First, take a look at the charger. We see the turnable knob for upscaling and downscaling. We see the charging contact with the protective lid and a chain keeping it attached. Printed on is dosimeter/rate meter charger, model 960-1, serial number 22823, CDV756. Instructions are below. Place dosimeter on charging contact. To read, press down lightly. To charge, press down firmly and adjust hairline to 0. The Bendix Corporation, Cincinnati Division, Cincinnati, Ohio. Let's open it up and take a look. The 756 is a lot like the 750, except the biggest thing is the paint color. Opening it up, we see that there's a washer keeping the screw from falling out, foam block to protect the components, and the circuit diagram. We see the spot for the battery. Let's put the battery in. Now we can take a look at the components. We have the potentiometer for changing the potential to charge it, capacitor, resistor, and, as advertised, the transistor. The bulb is here, and a spare one is held. Let's take off the charging contact protective head to see how it works. Pushing down, we see that the bulb lights. This is to illuminate the dial within the dosimeter and rate meter. Let's put it back together and charge a couple dosimeters and rate meters. The 746 is a lot like the rest, but the 46 model goes up to 600 rotagens. The rate meter is a very special piece of technology. It's a lot like a radiological survey meter, more than a dosimeter. It can be used to calculate the rate of exposure instead of just the dose that you've gotten. What I found is easiest to charge a rate meter or dosimeter is to set the upscaling knob all the way up. Then press down and adjust. You're going to look through here and see the dial and adjust until the hairline reaches 0. Let's do an upscale look and look at up close. Do the rate meter now, pushing down firmly, setting all the way to the top, and moving until we have it zeroed. Once zeroed, letting off, and our rate meter is charged. Pressing down firmly, we'll rotate the knob all the way up, and push down and turn until we see the line. You can see the line moving across, and we'll move that to 0. Once at the 0, let off, and your rate meter and dosimeter are charged. I was interested to see what happens when the knob is turned while charging a dosimeter/rate meter. So I brought up my multimeter, and I'm going to attach it to the connecting and charging pads. We see that on the all the way downscaled position, it's at 233 volts. Scaling up, we see the voltage goes down. At max, we have 70 volts.